If you're a parent, you have probably experienced this. When you tuck in your kids for bed at night, they would say, "Stay with us, Dad, because there is a monster under the bed, or there is a monster in the closet." And you will assure your kids that there are no monsters, that the monster is only in their mind, and you will stay with them until they fall asleep. Your presence assures them, and oftentimes you would say, "Do not fear, son, because Daddy is here." In the same way, that is what God is telling us. Do not be afraid, for I am here. Most of the time, we create our own monsters, and those monsters are just in our mind. But God is assuring us that we should not fear, for He is with us all the time. Isaiah 41:10 says it all. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Do not be afraid. It is written and mentioned in the Bible 365 times. We have 365 days in a year, and 365 days, God is assuring us that we should not fear. This is Ian Gomez, and this is Flight Path.
We live in a great big world that needs to hear about